Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Matt Delavino. If you're new here to the channel, welcome. I'm a creative here based in Toronto, Ontario. I've been a creative for probably 6 years now, primarily focused on videography, but I'm more of a creative solution, or I have been for the past 6 years. I am gaining a lot of subscribers from the one video, which is the fitness video, the Hannibal for King video, but then I'm getting a bunch from other like tech review type stuff, camera stuff. So I just wanted to clarify. This channel is going to be all about creativity, community. Who knows, maybe I'll dive back into fitness. I was huge into fitness. That's how I did start my career into the filmmaking / creative industry. I started from fitness. I used to be hardcore fanatic on workouts, calisthenics, things like that. Maybe do some tech reviews, camera reviews. Been around a lot of celebrities, done a lot of traveling, done a lot of, strategy and finance within the business side of being a filmmaker / creative and just life in general. To give you some context, I'm just a kid from a small town, but I want to share my experiences on how I got to the level where I got, how I got around the people I was around, and how I got to travel. I've hit so many lows and I've hit so many highs, like very, very low lows and very high highs. And now I'm at a point in my life where, I want to start talking on these experiences and I'm ready to talk about those experiences because I'm in a better place, to say the least. I have a lot of things I want to share, and I hope it can help, whoever's listening, whoever's out there. If that intrigues you, subscribe, hit the like button, do what you gotta do. But when I have more time, I'm gonna start talking on different topics that I've experienced. We'll go from there. I guess we'll see you soon. Thanks guys. Bye.